how to use the exhaust. You have the exhaust remote right here, the hood remote. We press the on switch to turn it on. You'll see the blue light turn on. This is the switch for the lights. And to increase or decrease the lights or the fan speeds, you go up. And to decrease, you can go down. This is to set it on auto. So according to the dust or according to the amount of smoke that is rising, it will go faster and it will slow down after it senses that there is less smoke as well. To turn it off, you can turn off the light or directly press close option. It will slow down on its own and it will shut off by itself.